In this video, I'll show you how to hide and unhide chats in Microsoft Teams. Hiding a chat in Teams is a simple way to clean up your chat list without deleting the conversation. Microsoft says when you hide a chat, the conversation and its history are hidden from your main list until someone sends a new message in that chat. That means hiding is useful when you don't need to see a chat every day, but still want to keep it available later. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. Find the conversation you want to hide. On desktop, point to the chat so the options appear, then click More Options, which is the three-dot menu. After that, choose Hide. Microsoft lists this as the standard way to hide a chat in Teams. Once you do that, the chat disappears from your visible recent chat list. If you later want to find that hidden chat again, the easiest method is to use the search bar at the top of Teams. Microsoft says you can type a word or phrase from the conversation to locate a hidden chat. Once the hidden chat appears again in your results or is restored to view, open its options menu and choose Unhide. That brings it back to your normal chat list. Another important thing to know is that a hidden chat can automatically reappear on its own. Microsoft says if someone posts a new message in that conversation, the chat is no longer hidden. So if a chat comes back into your list, that usually means there was new activity in it. If you're using Teams on mobile, the idea is similar, although the buttons may look a little different. Microsoft's mobile Teams guidance includes the same chat management features, including hide and unhide options, from the chat management tools in the app. One quick tip is to remember that hide is not the same as delete or leave. Hiding simply removes the chat from view for now. In some work or school accounts, you may also see options like remove chat history for one-on-one chats or leave for group and meeting chats. But those are different actions. So the steps are simple. Go to chat, open the three-dot menu on the conversation, choose hide, and when you need it again, use search to find the chat and select unhide. That's how to hide and unhide chats in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.